Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 9. This is your physics lecture. Unit number is 6, work and energy. This is the title page of your physics book for class 9. Today we are going to solve our exercise of unit number 6. Here we have the MCQs and its answers are given. Look at these MCQs. Number 1, the work done will be 0 when the angle between the force and the distance is. 4 options are given and you have to tick on the right option. Part 2, if the direction of motion of the force is perpendicular to the direction of motion of the body, then work done will be. Number 3, if the velocity of a body becomes double, then its kinetic energy will. Part 4, the work done is lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meters above ground will be. Number 5, the kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kg is 25 joules. Its speed is. Number 6, which one of the following converts light energy into electrical energy? Number 7, when a body is lifted through a height h, the work done on it appears in the form of its. Part 8, the energy stored in coal is. Number 9, the energy stored in a dam is. Number 10, in Einstein's mass energy equation, C is the. And number 11, rate of doing work is called what? First answer is C, second answer is C, third also the answer is C. MCQ number 4, correct answer is B. 5, correct answer is A. 6, answer is C. 7, answer is B. 8th MCQ, correct answer is C. 9th MCQ, correct answer is B. 10th MCQ, correct answer is B. 11th MCQ, correct answer is C. Next we have students, we have numerical type problems. Here we have the solution of all these problems. Look at the first problem 6.1 and also try to understand its statement. A man has pulled a cart through 35 meters applying a force of 300 Newton. Find the work done by the man. So distance is given 35 meters, force is given 300 Newton, work done. We have to find out the work done, which is F into S. So work done is equal to 300 into 35. By calculating it, F and S, we get the work done, which is 10,500 joules. These numerical questions are very simple, students. Look at the statement of numerical number 6.2. A block weighing 20 Newton is lifted 6 meters vertically upward. Calculate the potential energy in it. So weight of the block is given, height is given, we have to find out the potential energy. The formula of potential energy is mgh, as we have studied in our this unit. Yes, also we know that weight is equal to mg, so potential energy will be mg into h. 2 into h into 6, answer is 120 joules. Next, numerical number 6.3. A car weighing 12 kilonewton has speed of 20 meter per second. Find the kinetic energy. What is the formula of kinetic energy? Yes, it is half mv square, as we have studied in our this unit. Weight of the car is given, speed is given, we have to calculate the kinetic energy with the help of this formula. We know weight is always equal to mg, or m is equal to w over g. So m is equal to 12,000 over 10, so it is 1,200 kilograms. So to find the kinetic energy, half into 1200 into 20 whole square. So by calculating it, we get the kinetic energy, which is 240 kilojoules. Next, numerical number 6.4. A 500 gram stone is thrown up with a velocity of 15 meter per second. Find its potential energy at its maximum height and kinetic energy when it hits the ground. So mass of stone is given, velocity is given, we have to calculate the potential and kinetic energy. So loss of kinetic energy will be equal to gain in potential energy. Yes, we have discussed this point in our unit. So half mv square of final velocity and minus half mv square of initial velocity is always equal to mgh. So as velocity of the stone at maximum height becomes 0, so final velocity will be 0. So we will take the final velocity as 0 by putting these values. Yes, we get the mgh, which is minus 56.25 joules. Now to find, since energy is always positive, therefore potential energy will be positive. We will ignore the negative sign. So to find the kinetic energy, by putting all these values, by calculating it, we get the kinetic energy, which is 56.25 joules. Numerical number 6.5. Yes, height of the slope is given, which is 6 meters. Speed of the cyclist, velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Mass of cyclist and the bicycle is 40 kgs. Kinetic energy, we have to find out the kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is half mv square. By putting the values, we get the answer. Kinetic energy is 45 joules. And potential energy is equal to mgh. mgh 40 into 10 into 6. By multiplying all these three values, the answer is 2400 joules. 6.6 numerical number. A motor boat moves at a steady speed of 4 meter per second. Water resistance acting on it is 4000 newtons. We have to calculate the power. Yes, we know about the formula of power, which is F into V, as we have studied in our unit. Force is given, speed of boat is given. Simplify multiplying 8, we get the power, which is 16 kilowatts. Next students, we have MCQ number 6.8. A 50 kilogram man moved 25 steps up in 20 seconds. Find its power if each step is 16 centimeter high. So mass is given, total height is given. Total height is 25 into 16, 400 centimeter. We can easily convert it into meters by dividing it. So time is also given. We have to calculate the power. Yes, we know about the power. It is work over time, and work is equal to mgh over time. So by calculating the values, we get the power, which is 100 watts. 6.9. Calculate the power of a pump. So we have to calculate the power. Height is given and mass is given. Yes, we know about the formula. Yes, we have studied in the above numerical also, which is mgh over t. So by putting the values of m, yes, g, which is 10, power value of g is always be same, which is 10, and h, by dividing it by 10, we get the power, which is 1200 watts. 6.10. An electric motor of 1 horsepower is used to run water pump. The water pump takes 10 minutes to fill an overhead tank. The tank has capacity of 800 liters and height is 15 meters. Find the actual work done by the electric motor to fill the tank. Also find the efficiency of the system. Density is given. Mass of 1 liter of water is given, students. So we know the power. 1 horsepower is equal to 1746 watts. Time 10 minutes is given. It means that 10 minutes means 600 seconds. Capacity or volume is given, which is 800 liters. Height is given, which is 15 meters. So to find the efficiency and work done, first of all we will find the work done with the help of the formula of the power. Yes, we take the work on the left hand side because we have to find the value of work. Simply by putting the values and multiplying it, we get the answer of work. Since the work done by electric pump to fill the tank is 4,47,600 joules, it is equal to the input. Input is equal to actual work done. To find the output, potential energy, which is equal to 1 mgh, 1 liter is equal to 1 kg. 800 liters means that 800 kg. Output is equal to potential energy, 800 into 10 into 15. So here we have the output. To find the efficiency, we will put the values of output, input, and multiplying it by 100, we get the efficiency, which is 26.8%. So students, it is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.